Precinct 4 constable deputies say this all began when the suspect was spotted driving a stolen truck on the Beltway. They tried to pull him over, but they say he took off. The pursuit winding up and down the Beltway near Fairbanks and in and out of neighborhoods before finally ending behind this industrial complex.
Press guy.
I was not even thinking. I just got out in like a hero moment.
Wow.
I wish them the best. Like, you learn from your first mistake. Like, whenever you get out, try to be on your best behavior and not to get in no more trouble.
Okay, as you can see, this pursuit is in Anaheim at the moment. Brookhurst Street at West Harley Avenue. And that black and white unit, as we said, with the L.A. County Sheriff's Department, is in pursuit. Mark, can you hear us?
These are some of the streets that he has been traveling, so perhaps an indication that he may be familiar with the area. We just don't know, so something that we will be watching. But as you can see, he is now making an eastbound turn in towards a parking lot. It looks like a carport. It looks like a shopping center, a strip mall, and it looks like he's going to park that car here. So he's going to park the car. I don't know if we have any. Okay, there's the first law enforcement unit pulling right up here, and it looks like someone's coming out of the driver door. He's going to box him in. There you go. He is going to box him in. Deputies approaching, guns drawn. Show me your hands. That's the kind of thing that they're going to be looking for. That's the kind of thing that they're going to be looking for here, guys.
Boy, Mark, I'm just really surprised by how aggressive these officers are. It seemed like they jumped right out as soon as they boxed him in there.
Pulled up very close, too,
yeah,
which you usually don't see.
Yeah, they're kind of hovering behind that SUV, but if we've got 3 people in the vehicle, this is extraordinarily dangerous.
Yeah, well,
Is